Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop without a PIN. Let's get into it. First, set up remote access on your main computer. Open Chrome on the computer you want to reach, go to the Remote Desktop website, and click Turn On under the Remote Access section. Type in a name for your computer and a PIN that is at least 6 numbers. You have to create one first to keep your files safe. It ensures that only you have the key to enter your computer from far away. Next, connect from your second device. You need to use your phone, tablet, or another laptop to find your main computer. Both devices must be signed into the same Google account. On your second device, open the Remote Desktop app or website and click on the name of the computer you just set up. When the box pops up, type in the PIN you created for your connection. Next, check the Remember My PIN box. Before you click the final arrow to connect, look for a small box that says Remember My PIN on this device. Click the box to put a check mark in it. By checking this box, your second device stores the code in a safe spot. It tells the app that this specific phone or laptop is trusted. Lastly, verify your one-click access. Close the connection and try to click on your computer name again from the list. If the screen opens right up to your desktop without asking for numbers, you have successfully finished the connection. Now your remote setup is fast, easy, and ready for you to use. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.